Imagine a classroom where technology seamlessly connects students and teachers, transforming learning into an interactive experience. This is the reality today, thanks to custom cable assemblies. They are the hidden backbone of modern education, ensuring all devices work together smoothly. In today's classrooms, technology is everywhere. Interactive whiteboards, computers, and projectors. A 2023 report by Common Sense Media found that 97% of teachers see technology as beneficial for learning, and 85% say it boosts student engagement. But what ensures these devices work flawlessly? Custom cable assemblies are the key. Unlike standard cables, they are tailored to meet specific classroom needs, providing optimal performance and reliability. They optimize space with compact designs and are future-proof, ready for new technologies. This ensures a dynamic and engaging learning environment for students. Circuit Assembly specializes in creating these crucial components. Like and subscribe for tech insights and more.